now. Okay.
Hi there, this is Travis DeFries, Service Advisor with Unique Specialty and Classics in Mankato. Today for our After Hours video, we're going to talk about a couple different things. I know the last time when Jeremy had his last video, he had mentioned that he'd picked up a couple sets of cars, and over the last month here, we've had the cars in through the shop. Got helper up there. Got them all inspected. They're a very solid set of cars. Some ones that we had a couple of things to do to, but ultimately we got them so that they're going to be a really good car for you if you're interested in them. Of course, take a look at our website. They're going to be listed on there here in the next couple days. A couple projects that we're working on is we do have a 41 Packard 160, and a customer about 2 years ago had the engine come apart on him. So we actually had to get an engine rebuilt for it, and we had some issues with our engine building shop, so it took us about a year to get the engine back. That actually just got back to us here this week, so we've started the installation on that yesterday, and it is a little bit of a challenge getting that straight 8 into that vehicle. The transmission and engine where they mount together are not like a traditional clutch, so the techs actually had me under the car for about 2.5 hours yesterday trying to get transmission, throwout bearing, forks all lined up on it, but we did eventually get the engine installed and bolted in, and we're going to be finishing getting that plumbed up today, and hopefully we'll hear that thing run as early as tomorrow morning. And we've also got a really neat looking 32 Ford Coupe vehicle. The customer just purchased the vehicle. It was a ground up build. And a couple things he wants us to do to that is we're going to be doing a rear disc brake conversion, adding seat belts to it, doing a full vintage air AC system on it as well. And with that, we're a bit of a challenge that we're going to have on this one is we're changing over our drive system for the belt over to a serpentine belt system. And with that, we actually didn't have enough room between the front of the engine blade and the radiator. So we've actually got to refabricate mounts to move that radiator ahead about an inch, inch and a half, so we have room to get all of our serpentine belt system in there. And we're hoping to get started on that later this week and hopefully have that one together in about 2 weeks, and really looking forward to see that one on the road. I know our customer is really excited to see that car. And also another thing that I want to bring up is we've been in the market looking for adding another technician to our shop in the back. So, you know, if you know of anybody who's familiar with these classic cars or really has a passion for these cars and is familiar with some of the mechanics of them, we would be really interested in sitting down and speaking with them and seeing if maybe they'd be a really good fit to our team. We're trying to get some more technicians in here so that we can get a little more inventory through on a regular basis and stay up on top of all of our large projects, as well as getting all of our inventory vehicles done. So yep, if you have anybody that may be even remotely interested, we're here to talk. So at least we want to start that conversation and start chatting about it, and maybe we can find somebody that'll be the right fit for our shop that we can get in here and get going right along with the rest of our guys. And I also do want to remind everybody that we do have our new merchandise store with some wonderful new apparel that we're updating on a pretty regular basis. The store has just been going for about the last month here. In order to get to that store, just go to uniqueclassiccars.com and click on the apparel link, and there you can take a browse through any of the new items that we've got out there. Some really neat items that you might be interested in. So that's just a real update on a couple things that we got going on here this week. And again, my name is Travis DeFries, the Service Advisor with Unique Specialty and Classics in Mankato. You can always reach us at 507-386-1726, or you can email me directly at unsctravis@gmail.com. So if you go to uniquespecialtyandclassiccars.com, no, that is not the website.
Formulate words.
But my Decker's still up there too.
You can see him?
Yeah. Is it black flag?
Flag. Like the logo is a black flag with different words. Black flag on the flag.
How original.
Very original, yes.
That is seriously the web page.